7 critical tips for driving test success. Hello friends. Welcome to Car Learner. Today we'll tell you some amazing tips to pass your first driving test. So let's get started. Tip 1. Be on time. Make sure you show up early on the day of your driving test. Arriving late might put you at the risk of missing out. Tip 2. Look for last-minute theory revision. Go through the theory part 20 to 10 minutes before starting your test. It's good to recall what you have learned before. Tip 3. Check the required documents. Failure to meet the documents leads you to fail the test. Thus ensure you have all the required documents for the test. Tip 4. Practice driving in extreme weathers. Since the weather is unpredictable, practice driving in all weathers to get the driving confidence. Tip 5. Do not rush. For the driving test, do not rush. Take the test when you are most comfortable. Tip 6. Choose a well-known location for test. Usually, rural areas have the lowest traffic and open roads. That is why giving the driving tests in rural areas will increase your chances of passing it. Tip 7. Check mirror often. Keep focusing your mirrors from time to time. Do this when you are about to start the car, changing gears, changing road position, and approaching hazards. Thanks for watching the video. For more follow www.carlearner.com